This is GENGIGEL Hyaluronic Acid Gingival Gel, a dental gingival gel, commonly used for oral health support. Uses: promotes healing of oral tissues, gums, mucosa. Reduces gum bleeding and soreness. Helps in management of mouth ulcers and aphthous stomatitis. Relieves inflammation caused by gingivitis, periodontitis, or trauma. Dental procedures, braces, dentures. Speeds recovery after dental surgery or scaling. How to use: 1. Wash hands and ensure mouth is clean. 2. Apply a thin layer of gel directly on the gums or affected area 2 to 3 times daily, preferably after meals, and oral hygiene. 3. Avoid eating or drinking for at least 30 minutes after application to let the gel work effectively. 4. Can be used for several days to weeks depending on healing progress. Contraindications: known hypersensitivity or allergy to hyaluronic acid or other ingredients in the gel. Should not be swallowed in large amounts. Safety in pregnancy and breastfeeding is generally considered good, but use under dentist/doctor advice. Daily dose: adults and children. Apply 2 to 3 times daily, or as directed by dentist. Safe for short and long-term use if required for gum healing.